Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Here I'm going to show you how we make this thick sorghum porridge. So let's watch. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Share, and comment. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna put some my D-line here, or sour milk, or fermented milk, or you don't have it, just use yogurt. You can really also do this with cornmeal if you don't have sorghum. It's very hard to get sorghum, I know, but this sour milk make it taste real good. You can eat it by itself without any meat or veggies on the side. And boy, I used to enjoy this when I was young. Anyway, we cook a lot of this in Botswana. This is like the staple meal, is one of the staple meal in Botswana. We usually have it with some stew on the side or some veggies all together. So we enjoy it so much. As a young girl, I have always eaten this as soft porridge. And here I am making some thick porridge. So you are about to see it all, and at the end, I'm gonna be eating it. So let's keep
Once it
watching.
gets thick, I'm gonna change now because I was using this leheto. So now I'm gonna change into using a spoon, wooden spoon. You see how it's getting thicker? We want it like that. We call it bogobe, thick porridge. So this thick porridge with some sour milk, fermented milk. So I'm gonna cover it up, let it cook for 5 minutes, and then I'll come and stir it again. That's right, that is just correct. Okay, now we're gonna stir it. Stir it. Ooh, that is thick bogobe. Thick sorghum porridge. Here we go. I guess this is like a brown fufu. I don't know. I know fufu is a little different, but you get what I mean. Like, here is a thick one, right? Brown. Not fufu, but I think they do it like this. They stay the same way if they do fufu, right? But here we are doing some thick porridge over here. So you see, it's just easy. Just make sure it doesn't burn at the bottom. But here we go. I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes because with the thick porridge, I leave it longer to cook, you know. Ready to eat. Okay, I dish up the porridge. I kind of smoothen it up, and I have some kale to go with it. And now, this is the goodies I made. This is some canned sardine fish with some tomatoes and some onions. So this is what I'm gonna be eating it with. Good stuff, good stuff. And then here I have a little bit of lentils. That's a whole meal right here, whole meal. I'm gonna put that away. Okay, you can see the porridge because it's dark. It's not like fufu. It is, wait, what kind of, it's kind of reddish, you know. And then we are ready. I have been ready for this. So you can also, almost like when you see people eating fufu, they do this. You can do this too. So this is thick porridge. But this is my favorite part here.
As much as we are enjoying the sorghum meal, sorghum from Botswana, we are also celebrating this man, the boy, for winning the Olympic medal right in Paris. Won the Olympic medal 200-meter final. Whoa, congratulations.
Like I say, you can eat it by itself the way I cooked it. But I am just gonna enjoy it, eating with my hands. That's so good. So good. Can you see it? Sorghum porridge is so good. So there we have it. As I explained, sometimes I make the soft sorghum meal. Soft porridge, we call it soft porridge. So with the greens, I like kale. This one I'm lazy to cook. I just make them. I take the sardines in a can. Blue. Blue time. You know what that blue means? Blue, 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 blue. It's not red, it's blue. You all like blue, don't you? Maybe I should make a t-shirt that says, "We like blue. We go for blue." Just in case, you know. Go for blue. 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 It's so good. I'm telling you. The sardines that I make, like I say, I do onions, lots of tomatoes, some garlic, sardine fish. Let me show you. So this is the sardines that I make when I'm lazy to cook. Sardines and olive oil, wild caught. I buy like a package of them from Costco. They're so good with all this. So excellent. Maybe I should have put like carrots to put color, because my food is kind of dark, but it's delicious. No white, right? Oh, and so I put some hot pepper in here. After this, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video, and share and share and share with your family, your friends, or whoever you know. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to hit that like button. That like button, you see that little thing there? Hit that like button. And comment. Comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what else you want me to cook. Or any suggestions. Let me know.